Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically save your Steam 2024 replay, like the image, I guess. If you scroll down, go to the website though for this, go to replay your year now, and then here under, well, above the friends only, you're going to select share, and then you can actually save the image. You can also change the language your Steam replay is in. But you're just going to select save image to the one you want. I usually just save this one for like Instagram stories. So select save image and it's going to be saved to your device. Just make sure you're on the website version because for some reasons, I don't know why you cannot save it on the Steam version. Like the app version, that's what I meant. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.